morning, everyone. Oh, it's a beautiful morning. It rained heavily last night. I can still hear water dripping from the leaves. And this is where I slept for the night. A little cozy corner I made for myself. Okay, let's go get some fresh mountain air. Wow. Oh, I really love the sounds of the forest. I hear birds chirping, rooster calling. Really nice. And so I'm now making my way down to have breakfast through this tricky terrain. And it doesn't help that I don't have proper shoes. And it's a long way down. Oh no. This little boy is also going down for breakfast. It's really impressive seeing these kids coming here for school every day, tackling this kind of terrain. I'm sure they will grow up to be strong men and women in the years to come. Finally arrived here for breakfast. It's a quiet day. No one else is around. I have this whole cafe to myself. How nice. And I get to have breakfast to this beautiful view of Gunung PULAI. And I kinda made my own coffee while waiting for my food. Best place to have coffee. My healthy breakfast is here. Now I'm having veggies and fruits, homemade garlic bread and with peanut butter. What a beautiful breakfast. Yum yum. And of course, with piping hot coffee.
Alright dear friends, that's my little video on Gunung PULAI. I hope you like watching this video as much as I did making this video. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.